Electric service panel bonus. The range also is not GFCI protected. The range, the AC, and the dryer. Depending on when the the permit for this work was done, it might not have been required at the time. But that's current standards. But what prompted me to have this extra bonus video was my difficulty in, because 2 screws are missing, just like I mentioned in the previous video. But what prompted me for the second video is I've got these screws loosened up and I still can't get this panel to fit over these bottom 2 breakers. See the gap over here, and when I go, and so I loosen these up so that there's not so much pressure on these breakers. In fact, I'll probably loosen it up a couple more turns. So this cabinet cover does not fit right. And it's out of respect to the property, try not to cause any damage.